Hello and welcome to the agenda and objectives for the week of February 16th. Just like always, we're going to start with our summative assessment. This should be open and ready for you to view now. This is on section 8.3, which is our 45, 45, 90, and 30, 60, 90 right triangles. Please keep in mind that it is due today, Tuesday, February 16th by 6 p.m. And this week is worth 20 points. Looking at new material for this week, our objective is going to be able to use our trig functions to be able to solve triangles, to be able to find the lengths of their sides and the measure of their angles. And so you will have a video on page 6 of your notebook, and then a video that goes with page 7 of your notebook as well. You have two assignments that are from section 8.4, which is your basic trig, your sine, cosine, and tangent. One of them comes from your textbook, and then one of them comes from your notebook. Those also have answer keys and video answer keys, so you can always check your answer key, and then if you need to watch the video answer key, do that, and then always keep in mind that we do have those Zoom sessions also. Those are both due, we have a week to do those, for February 23rd at 9 a.m. In addition to that, we have part of our practice test. So we will be reviewing sections 8.1, 8.2, and 8.3 because next week we will have a summative assessment that not only includes our material about trig functions, but also those items found in the beginning part of chapter 8. So this practice test does come out of your notebook, and there's more details in the directions for there. But I do want you to notice that what we are being able to do is being able to know when do we use the Pythagorean theorem, when do we use one of our geometric means, whether it's an altitude or whether it's a leg, and then when do we use one of our special right triangles, our 30, 60, 90, or 45, 45, 90. So that is a review of that, and next week's summative assessment will be a comprehensive of those three skills here, in addition to the skills that we're working on with our trig functions in section 8.4. Keep in mind that there are Zoom sessions available. Wednesday, we will be doing 12:30. That is a direct result of the snow day we had, or the e-learning day that we had during iStep, and so things had to be changed, and so I now have a meeting at our normal Zoom time at 2 o'clock on Wednesday, so I will have to change that to 2:30. I changed that, or to 12:30. I changed it on your to-do calendar also. Notice that regular time on Thursday and then on Monday as well. All right, if you have any messages, please Canvas message me.